welcome to the MBS News Update. I am Dr. Janelle Charles Williams.
And I am Delicia Bonnie.
We begin today's program with a big thank you to all our staff who worked on the front line during the period of restricted movement imposed by the government of Antigua and Barbuda as part of efforts to contain the coronavirus COVID-19. Your efforts did not go unnoticed. You are our heroes. And as we operate in the new normal, we remind you that COVID-19 should not be taken lightly. Do not let your guard down. Adhere to restrictions imposed by the government, such as hours of restricted movement. Also, verify information before sharing. Take information from reliable sources, such as the World Health Organization, the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, or the Caribbean Public Health Agency, CARPHA. If you are experiencing flu-like symptoms, call the COVID hotline at 462-6843.
It's now celebration time. Congratulations to newly promoted staff, Ms. Nicole Jarvis, Supervisor of the AR Collections Department, Ms. Rena Roberts, Supervisor of the Registration and Eligibility Department, and Mr. Keegan Goodwin, Supervisor of the Pharmacy Department. At the manager's level, we say congratulations to Ms. Carrie Ann Benjamin, now Procurement Manager. Also, Mr. Andrew Bovell is now the Director of Pharmacy, Maintenance, and Statistics. The portfolio for the Manager of the Customer Service Department, held by Ms. Carolyn Archibald, has been extended to include registration and eligibility. Let us give them our full support.
Best wishes to all Delicia and to our Director of Operations, Mr. Algernon Roberts, who takes up a new position. Mr. Roberts has seconded to serve as the Chief Executive Officer of the Board of Medicinal Cannabis Authority, effective 1st April 2020. Best wishes as well to Ms. Joy Daly, who retired in March after serving over 40 years at the Medical Benefit Scheme and giving dedicated service. Ms. Daly was the supervisor of the Registration and Eligibility Department.
Also saying goodbye are Ms. Maribane Romeo, who was attached to the Customer Service Department and served for 39 years within the organization, and Ms. Debbie O'Donoghue, who was attached to the Revenue Department and gave 22 years of service. We wish them all every success in their new adventures. Also among the latest news is the proposed national health insurance. Due to the outbreak of the coronavirus, the team from the HEU Center for Health Economics had to return to their home country. However, NHI plans are still ongoing, and we continue to keep you fully informed.
Delicia, did you know that we receive our pay slips electronically? Well, if you haven't received yours, please speak with your supervisor. Also, employers and self-employed persons can pay us electronically. They can do so via the ACB mobile banking application or by sending funds via electronic funds transfer. Employers can also send their PDF version of their R3As and can email it at contributions@mbs.gov.ag. Employers, please, no photos of your R3As.
Also a reminder that our Nevis Street, Browns Avenue, and Clear Hall pharmacies continue to serve you as pickup and drop-off centers from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 12 noon until further notice. Pickup is within 48 hours. Remember to like and share our latest news on our Facebook page at mbs.gov.ag.
And finally, we encourage you to eat healthy. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Drink water throughout the day. Exercise at least 30 minutes daily. Remember to wash your hands or sanitize your hands to reduce your risk of contracting COVID-19. I am Dr. Janelle Charles Williams.
And I am Delicia Bonnie.